Good evening, good evening. Kenny Talk just got a fresh one from the best one. Just came from the chop shop. What's up, everybody? It's that time again. It's the video tweet of the day, and I got something I want to share with you from my heart, because that's why I bring it every single time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for following. Thank you for the retweets. Thank you so much for the DMs and the questions, because I love answering them for y'all. I love giving of me. You know what I'm saying? This is Kenny Talk. I'm back in effect. I'm here to do what I do. I had me an okay day today at the JOB. I had me an okay day, I'm feeling good. I'm focused in another direction. I'm about mental enlightenment, and this is what's going to get me to the next level, and this is what's going to make great things come to me. Life is going to become easy, and the same can happen for you, right? And that's word from Kenny Talk, right? It's time for the video advice of the day. It goes out to all of the lovers in Lover's Land, or the people who are trying to get to Lover's Land, or the people who are trying to get out, like I always say, right? That's what's going down. And the Twitter today goes as follows. Okay, if you have a certain someone in your life who despise a liar, who really, really despise a liar. They talk about liars and they can't stand liars and they're this and that. Normally, they are the people who probably don't like the truth either. If you can't stand a liar, it's a good chance you probably don't like the truth, right? So when you have those kind of people, you know what? Oblige them. Because when you tell them a lie, that make them so angry and they just despise you. They don't want you around them. Tell them the honest truth. You dig what I'm saying? And just see how they like that. Don't take their feelings in consideration or nothing. Because you despise a liar. I'm going to give you the truth. And the truth is, you're not that great of a lover. You're not that great of a kisser. I don't really like that. That makes me feel this way. Oh, you don't have to say that. How you going to hurt my feelings like that? You despise a lie. I'm going to give you the hardcore truth because you express how much you do not like a lie. So those who despise lies, start focusing a little bit more on the truth and see can you swallow it, before you be that type of person. And that's word from the relationship consultant, Kenny Talk. I'm going to continue to do it. I'm the relationship consultant. Get at me. And I'm going to keep it 100 because that's the way it got to be. You dig? I'm going to keep it that way. Shout out to CMG. Shout out to Florida. Shout out to all of my partners down here in Birmingham, Alabama. Shout out to all of my family, all my followers, all my pretty followers. You dig? I be looking at all y'all down my timeline and I just be going like, whoa, where do all these pretty girls live at? Because some of y'all don't have, where you live at on there. So I'm like, where are you? That's what I want to ask you, right? So I just want to give a shout out and say, peace out. It's your boy Kenny Talk. Kisses at your lips, baby. Which lips, Kenny? I think I'm talking about those lips right there. Get it right, baby, like I always do. Kenny Talk, and I'm gone.